Hey dear quiz lovers, welcome back to the Dino Quiz. Can you guess all the animals by emoji? We've got 60 fun puzzles waiting for you. You've only got 10 seconds to crack each puzzle. Are you ready? Let's go! Before starting, please subscribe to the Dino Quiz channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's get started with a fun quiz. Can you figure out this animal from these emojis? So easy! It's seahorse? What animal do you think this is? Well done! It's butterfly. Another 2 emoji clues. Can you solve it? Yes, it's jellyfish. Guess the animal hidden in these emojis. That's right, it's panda. And now it's time to choose your gift. Gift 1. Like this video and tell us your favorite animal in the comments. We might pick your answer and give you a fun shoutout in the next video. Gift 2. Let's make your birthday unforgettable. Hit the like button and tell us the date of birth. Guess the animal hidden in these emojis. Great guess! It's dolphin, playful in the waves. Can you solve this emoji challenge? It's polar bear. Can your brain crack this emoji puzzle? Share your guesses in the comments down below. What is the name of this animal? Yes, it's doggy. Any guesses coming to mind? Exactly! That's a blue whale, the ocean giant. What animal do you think this is? Absolutely right! It's bear. Here we go for the medium level. We've got 6 emojis here. Your first mission is remember where each one is. Do you remember where the monkey is located? You got it! The right answer is number 4. Can you identify this animal? So easy, it's tiger. That's right, it's sea lion. Another 2 emoji clues. Can you solve it? You got it! It's penguin! Guess the animal name, but be careful, a few letters are missing. Yes, it's kangaroo! Can you solve this emoji challenge? It's swordfish? Correct! It's wolf. Can you decode the meaning of these emojis? Correct! It's octopus. No holding back! It's the hard level. Can you find the matching pair in this lineup? Time's up! Check up the answer. You got it! It's elephant! Can you identify this animal? You got it! It's badger? Can you solve this riddle? Yes, it's sheep. Here's another one for you. Guess away. Hammerhead shark. That's right, it's peacock. We've got 6 emojis here. Your first mission is remember where each one is. Do you remember where the kangaroo is located? You got it! The right answer is number 4. Can you identify this animal? Correct! It's rhino. So easy! It's sheepdog? Another 2 emoji clues. Can you solve it? Brilliant! It's ladybug. Last one question. Think it through and share your opinion in the comment. To find friends who agree with you, pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.